The 1410 ejector assembly and installation. Put the push-off in an upright position by placing the support stand at the tail. Bolt on the plastic slide blocks on the back side of the push-off. Pin in both the floor rollers on the left side as well as the right. Insert the hold-on roller pin, but not fully, whereas it's easier to do it now. It is best to have the push-off cylinder in the tail of the ejector wall at this point. Insert the rod end pin on the forward port of the push-off. Have the hydraulic line already pre-mounted and the rear pin in place. It is important to raise the bowl off the floor by placing display stands on the back corners as well as some 4x4s up front. This will make installing the ejector wall much easier. Carefully raise the ejector wall while trying maintaining its vertical orientation. With a co-worker, gently lower the ejector wall down for the slot of the hold-down roller to fit through the face of the ejector wall. With the bridge crane controller, raise the ejector wall up to get the rear plastic slides to fit within the C-frame. Continue to move the bridge crane to move the push-off fully back. Place a sling around the ejection cylinder and raise it up until it comes out of the rear tail of the ejection frame. Place the two-piece blocks on both sides of the pin of the push-off cylinder. When supporting the blocks, lower the crane so the base end of the push-off cylinder lowers to install the 4 rear bolts to secure the push-off to the rear tail. Fully tighten the clamping plate bolts for the rear push-off. Next, we'll install the mid-mount hold-on roller. There is a washer that goes between the yellow boss on the push-off framework and the roller. Install the pins and tighten the head bolts. That completes the installation of the push-off assembly within the 1410 ejector. Please advance to the next section.